Introducing our high-elasticity waterproof coating instantly cures upon air exposure to form a crack-resistant, skin-like elastic layer. With superior ductility, it bonds seamlessly with concrete surfaces, withstands freeze-thaw cycles, and adapts to structural shifts, for example, roof settlements. No dilution required, D-friendly for 300 today coverage. Perfect for roofs, gutters, wall bases, cracks, and metal sheets. Eliminate ray tearing from building movement. Your ultimate leak-proof solution. High elastic waterproof coating, self-curing, no mixing. Our model is BC05M